Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing a hotel, rather a luxurious hotel in Darjeeling. So, without further ado, let's start our video. Before starting the video, let me give you a brief about the hotel. This property was earlier a summer palace of a Maharaja, which is now converted into a luxurious hotel. So everything here is really grand and beautiful. So once we arrived at the hotel, we were sitting in the reception for a while, and there they gave us our first cup of tea in Darjeeling as a welcome drink, and it was really delicious. And now it's time to explore the place and head towards our room. So this is our room. Now let's enter and show you all how it looks. After you enter the room, there are two chairs kept as a sitting arrangement, and here there is large curtains which look very beautiful, and there is also a view which is of the lawn, and that's the reception on the top floor. So here is a beautiful painting, a heater and a king size bed which was very comfortable, and here is a cabinet, and this is the wall which has some beautiful paintings, and there is also a TV which I think is of no use to me. So there is another sitting arrangement, a sofa, then a work desk where you can do your work, and there is also a beautiful mirror. And now let's walk towards the sofa. So here is a very great comfortable royal sitting arrangement made. Here you can keep your coat, and there is a table, and this is a wire thing which was made and we actually did not use it. And yes, everything looks very royal as this was supposed to be a Maharaja's palace. The place looks very grand. There are long windows and long curtains to it. There is a slight view from the room which you can see, which is not that great as compared to what we have seen earlier. So yes, let's move towards the other section of the room. So the kids are also here, so let me quickly close the windows and show you the bathroom. So the bathroom is humongous. Actually, one person can easily stay in the bathroom. As you can see, there is a mirror, there is a place where you can keep your luggage, there is a locker inside the bathroom, and then here, as you can see, there is a bathtub and another mirror over here, and there is another mirror in front of the bathtub too. So this is the wash basin. Then they have also provided some toiletries. This whole room is very big, and everything you can see has a royal touch to it. So let me quickly show you all another room. So this is basically a apartment kind of a thing where they have two rooms, a sitting arrangement, a dining space, and there is a huge place for the kids to play, which was really needed because they had a great time over here. So let me quickly show you all a very interesting part of the hotel, the place where you can enjoy your morning tea or coffee with a jaw-dropping view of the mountains. In this hotel, there is also playroom available for the kids where they can enjoy and have a gala time. Not only the kids, the grown-up can also enjoy all the facilities available in the hotel. Overall, the view from the hotel was great, the ambience was great, the staffs were great, And if you're thinking of a staycation, this is the perfect place for you. You can stay in the hotel, relax, and have a wonderful time. This is the dining place where you can come and have a great varieties of food and enjoy with your friends and family. Also, let me show you all how it looks at night. This place is very peaceful. If you want to stay away from the hustle bustle of the town, this is the perfect place for you, where you can stay for 2 days and relax and enjoy the view and have some wonderful time. From the reception, if you want to go to the place where we stayed, you have to take this stair and go down. And that's the cottage we were staying in. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.